Hello everyone, welcome to Bubble Food X. I'm Yuhan. Imagine this, it's been a long day and all you want is a quick, comforting meal. Nothing fancy, just something warm, simple and delicious. That's where soya egg fried rice come in. It's easy to make, packed with flavor and ready in just 5 minutes. It's also a great way to use up leftover rice. This recipe is special to me because it reminds me of my grandma. She made it for me all the time. After moving to Australia, I missed her fried rice so much that I decided to recreate it. After a bit of trial and error, I perfected it and now I can't wait to share it with you. Soya egg fried rice combines the fragrance of eggs with rich flavor of soya sauce. The key to making it delicious is all about timing of knowing exactly when to caramelize the soya sauce. Just a few seconds can make all the difference. In this video, I'll share essential tips for making soya egg fried rice, including how to choose the right ingredients and the best way to caramelize soya sauce without burning it. Our sense of smell is key to knowing when to move to the next step and timing everything perfectly. Let's get started. Here is what we need. Firstly is rice. You can use this kind of basmati rice or multigrain rice. If you have brown rice or normal white rice, they are all good rice to use for this soya egg fried rice. The key is to make sure the rice you choose is not wet or too sticky like sushi rice or sticky rice, because the key for the good delicious egg fried rice is to make sure they are firm and separately. Secondly, we need 5 ml of olive oil. You can also use other of your normal cooking oils at home like peanut oil or the grapeseed oil, as long as it is not the oil with really strong smell like sesame oil won't be a suitable one because it has a very strong aroma. The third ingredient we need will be 10 ml of soya sauce. There are different types of soya sauce. When we make the soya egg fried rice, we need to use the regular soya sauce. The good brand I would recommend is like this one, Wanjiaxiang, or this kind of like Li Kimchi is also very popular in Australia. If you're in Australia, you can get this type of normal soya sauce in Woolworths or Coles. However, I would still recommend you to go to Asian supermarket because there is more option and usually they are cheaper. By the way, there is an important point I would like to mention as well. It is not suitable to use any soya sauce that has specific function or the soya sauce that has been flavored. For example, if the soya sauce that say is specifically for the dumpling soya sauce or sashimi soya sauce, I won't recommend it. Also, if the soya sauce says it's called like kombu soya sauce or it is bonito soya sauce, they have already a special flavor in it. It is not suitable for this soya egg fried rice. The last important ingredient for this egg fried rice is 2 eggs. The reason I put 2 eggs in this recipe is because I like the aroma from the frying egg. If you don't have that many of eggs or you just want 1 egg, it's totally fine to just use one of it. Now we got every ingredient we need, let's get started. Firstly, add 5 ml of olive oil to the pan and heat on high flame. I use a stainless steel pan. To make it not stick, you have to heat the pan until you see the oil start to form lines. This should take around 3 minutes. Afterward, turn off the flame for 30 seconds to 1 minute to let the pan cool slightly. After that, switch the flame to the medium heat and the pan is ready to stir fry the egg now. Add the eggs to the pan, stir quickly to scramble them into medium-sized chunks. See? The egg is not stick on the pan at all. When the fried eggs release the aroma, it's time to add the rice to the pan. It is important to wait for the eggs to release their fragrance before adding the rice, because the signature flavor of this soya egg fried rice comes from the blend of eggs and soya sauce. After adding the rice, keep stirring it until you smell the combined aroma of the egg and rice. Avoid breaking the scrambled egg chunks too much. In this way, you will still get bits of scrambled egg in every bite. If you are using leftover rice, it might clump together. Use your spatula to press and separate the rice gently. A key to great fried rice is ensuring the grains are firm and separate. Now, let's caramelize the soya sauce. Firstly, turn the flame to the low heat. If you feel your pan is too hot, you can turn off the heat before adding the soya sauce. This prevents the soya sauce from burning as soon as it hits the pan. Secondly, create a small space in the center of the pan. It will be the place to add 10 ml of soya sauce later on. After the pan cooling down a little bit, it's time to add 10 ml of soya sauce. Once you see lots of bubbles in the soya sauce, quickly mix the rice and eggs together. This step will only take 2 to 3 seconds. If you turn off the flame just now, you can turn on the flame now. Use medium flame and continue stir-frying for 10 to 15 seconds to bring out the full aroma of the egg, rice, and caramelized soya sauce. Now, it is ready to serve. Before we start to taste it, let me show you again with basmati rice. If you are using stainless steel pan, you don't need to go through again the procedure of making your stainless steel pan non-stick. Heat up your pan and you'll be ready to scramble your eggs. As you can see, the egg is not stick on the stainless steel pan at all. As long as you make sure that you make your stainless steel pan non-stick for the very first time you use of the day, it won't stick for the rest of the day. After you smell the aroma from the frying egg, it's time to add the basmati rice. After you smell the aroma from the frying egg and basmati rice, it's time to add the soya sauce. Turn off the flame or turn it to the lower heat and create a space in the middle. Oops, I added the soya sauce to the pan a bit too early. As soon as it hits the pan, it started bubbling a lot. To avoid burning it, I quickly mix it with the rice and egg. This is a good reminder to be patient and let the pan cool down slightly before adding soya sauce. Keep stirring it with medium flame for 15 to 30 seconds and it will be ready to enjoy. Okay, it's time for testing. I tried the multi-grain rice one first. You can taste the aroma of the frying egg and also the aroma from the caramelized soya sauce. Oh, I feel like I go back to Taiwan now. It's just so simple, but you just cannot stop to have one bite and after another bite. 10 ml of soya sauce won't be too salty. So if you like to have more saltier flavor, you can add another 5 ml, but I don't really recommend it because it will be too salty. Let me try another one. This one is the basmati rice one. Basmati rice is softer than the multigrain rice. So if you are the person prefer the softer taste of the rice, I recommend you to use basmati rice or jasmine rice would be a good option as well. Oh my god. I really cannot stop. And this is also not too greasy. We only use 5 ml of olive oil. Usually if you go to the Chinese restaurant outside, they will add more oil in order to make the fried rice taste good. However, I want the fried rice to be healthier, so I only use 5 ml of olive oil. And I use the aroma from the fried egg and the caramelized soya sauce to make it very good as well. Fried rice is actually the big pet category for Asian food, so Taiwanese food is no exception. If there is any fried rice you are interested to know, please feel free to let me know. I hope you enjoyed this soya egg fried rice. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll read it and reply to you. If you like this recipe, don't forget to press like and subscribe my channel. See you next time!